Good morning from Acres of Dreams. It's Trisha, and today I just wanted to share how I'm going to plant my loofah seeds. And I bought my loofah seeds from a sweet couple over in Barnwell, Faith Campbell, and she sells the seeds, and they sell a lot of other plants. That's how they supplement their income at retirement age, and they do it behind their house. They're in a subdivision. They just don't have an HOA. The key, right? So I like to support local farmers, and so when I want seeds, I go to someone local instead of the national brands, and I hope you do the same thing. But today I get to use something, and I'm also, on a side note, I'm also trying to hold the camera horizontal, my phone horizontal, because I was told that if you do it horizontal, that's what long form's supposed to be. And so, okay, whatever. But I can't keep my finger from hiding stuff. So I don't know how to do this. I'm not a YouTube guru. I'm not a camera guru. I'm not even really a flower guru, but I am a land guru. So I do have that going for me. But anyway, I just wanted to share. I got to use these. They were given to me. They're metal. I guess they were some kind of shelving unit at some point in time. And so I had already moved my wood structure down. And so I'm attaching those so that the vines have something to grow up. And then when the loofahs get dry, I'm going to slice them, and I'm going to pour goat soap into them with, guess what? Faithwards Flower Farm brand of essential oil. We have 4 that we're starting with and hope to add more later on. But I'm so excited. Once I get through the legal ease of all of that, we will be launching our essential oil brand, and I'm super excited. I use essential oils every day for a variety of things, and I believe in them, and I think that natural healing is the way to go. And so some of the things I'm not going to be, just for clarification, I am not going to be producing my own oils. That is a very detailed, complex, that's more than my plate can handle. So I am going to source them from reliable sources, though, however, and I have my own blend. And so therefore, they are going to be whitelisted, white labeled, I guess is what they call it. But anyway, so I have the support now, and I will be putting string and wire across the top. And so then the loofah can grow. And once they grow, they love the sun. And once they grow, you have to let them dry out because they are very heavy. And so that's why you have to have wire up top and then string from the bottom up to the top row. But anyway, that's where they're going to be. And I have 3 sets, so I think I'll be able to plant all of the 25 seeds that I have that I bought, and I will let you know how it goes. Now, if you will notice, I have a bag of garden soil, and what I do with that is I cut it open. I don't leave the bag there, but I cut it open and I just plant the seeds inside that rather than digging in the dirt. And I have just found that out here, it just works better for me. Anytime I disturb the soil, all I get is more weeds. So that is not what you want. But anyway, I thought that would be something some of you might be interested in seeing. And how I attached them was zip ties, but I didn't have the right size, so I had to put 2 together. But I got them, and they're all there, and they're going to hold up. That's the big thing, holding up against the wind, and the weight, because it is going to be a lot of weight. I can't believe sponges weigh that much, but before they're dried out, they do. So anyway, if you have any questions, or if you're growing sponges, loofahs, I would love for you to give me some tips, and anything you want to add, let me know. Y'all have a blessed rest of your day. And as always move faithwards. And I love you guys. Till next time.